What is up, YouTube? It's your boy sess.builds. Welcome back to another vlog. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and give me a follow, hit that like, leave me a comment, tell me what you're working on. You obviously know what I'm working on, G42 M240i. Today is a prep day for our upcoming meets. Tomorrow we have the Racing Channel meet at Orlando Speedway. The car will be a booth car with 10 socket. And on Sunday there is a Beamer Invasion pre-meet at Tovi Performance. So that one should be fun. Gonna do vlogs for both days. But for today, we're going to do the front lip. We're gonna wash the car, and we're gonna get it all kind of ready for the weekend. Leave it in the garage, not drive it until the shows, because I don't want it to get dirty again. You're gonna need an 8 and a 10 to take out the existing bolts. Okay, front lip out. Look at all the screws, bolts that was holding it, plus 3M tape. I use this. It's like a rubber wheel to take out the 3M. And now we're going to test fit the lip. Let's see. Okay, so looking at it, doesn't seem like it's going to fit any of the factory screws. So we're going to prep the under side of the bumper with adhesive promoter so it sticks, and then we're gonna have to screw in a few screws into the bumper. Listen, if you don't screw into your bumper, are you really even building your car? I don't think so. So let's get to it. All right, everyone, so it's been a long day. Washed the car, we installed the lip, yeah, it's all ready for this weekend. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, tell me what you're working on.